I'm over here trying to get some tires put on after hours. These guys are really awesome. They got me in after hours. I showed up after they closed and getting my tires put on my truck. Just waiting. Oh man, this looks so good. I love these tires. These are very popular, and so that's kind of why I went for them. I trimmed the front bumper, and so now they should fit. Hopefully not too much rubbing. All right, so I just got home, but man, look at these. I'm really admiring these wheels right here. So if you notice, it's missing the center caps. I completely spaced out and I ordered the rims, but not the center caps. But come on, Toyota, seriously, you sell these TRD Pro wheels without the center caps? It's like another $35 to $40 for each center cap that says, you know, TRD in red. So that's that. But yeah, I got a little bit of a wider tire so it sticks out a little bit more. Not too crazy, but there's that. But also I got the bigger tire, so it's a 33-inch tire.
So these are actually 2021 4Runner TRD Pro rims. I like how they look better than the Tacoma TRD Pro rim, so I got the 4Runner rims.
Okay, all the way to the right. One more time. Okay, straight. So that's like 1 inch. That's approximately 1 inch taller right there. All right, so I'm going to see how tall these tires are. Right in the middle. So this stock tire is approximately just under 31, 30 3/4. So I've gained approximately just over 1 inch.
Now going over big bumps, you're still going to hear a small rub or on full crank out, but it's nothing major. This could definitely be a daily driver. In fact, it still is a daily driver for me without any kind of lift or anything.
Okay guys, so today is the day when I actually finally complete my truck wheels. This is the last piece that I forgot to order. Toyota apparently sells everything separately, and it kind of boggles my mind. You would think you're paying, you know, like over $200 for this rim, for this wheel, and you know, they should include the center caps. This here is the part number, and I'll start with this wheel here. Oh, and before I forget, this was $32 per cap. So you're paying over $100 for these 4 caps for the wheels. Anyway, here we go. Yeah. Anyway, clip it in. There it goes, and it just snaps right in. Wow, that looks nice. Finally done. So all in all, I paid just under $2,000 for this whole setup. For the rims, for the tires, and for the caps. All in all, just under $2,000. Now granted, I did get discounts, but as it sits, $2,000.